Hello everyone, this is Kirit. I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel, that is Abhivyakti Training Solutions. Before we start the video, I request all of you, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will get each and every video very quickly. So let's start it.
Great. And I would like to watch many cricket tournaments like IPLs and many series of cricket. Also like I also like to watch many play Dhoni batting. I like to watch to play. My favorite sport player in cricket is Dhoni, and I like to watch to Dhoni game. He's a very good cricketer, and uh, cricket.
Now this one. Talk for a minute about what did you what you did last weekend, which means yesterday or maybe on Friday. Okay, last Friday.
Last weekend. What did you last weekend? In my I did rest on my last weekend, and also evening time I go out for some fresh mind, and I go I went Vesu site. I went Vesu site for just enjoyment, and I visit many places there. I also take I there took a tea. There took a tea. Took Khetla Papa teas. Enjoy the tea, and after I reach my home and call my many old friends and discuss with my and what did they currently what did they
are doing.
What they are doing, and asking, and also discuss on future plan. What is them plan.
What is their plan or what they wanted to become?
I discuss with them what they want to become.
What they want to become.
What they want to become in future. And after the discussion, we just talking casually, and after the call, I come on my bed, and and I browsing my Instagram. I'm browsing my Instagram, and also there I also chat with my old friend, and after the some time I go to sleep. I went to sleep.
Okay. Now last one. Take a minute about your plans for coming weekend.
Take for a minute about your plan for a weekend. This is my upcoming weekend. I have decided I have to visit many places. First place is there. I have to go I have to go of my one of friend home, because of the week before he's discussed with me about the torrent power vacancy. So I have to go. I have to go his home, and after this matter, I have also decided to purchase a new raincoat for the rainy season, and rainy season. And after my shopping, I will just chill at my home, watching some shows like Khatro Ka Khiladi and news. And this major three work I have to do in my upcoming weekend.